Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create Facebook page. Before we start the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So first we have to open our Facebook account and select the menu button. Select page. Select create in the top. Select get started. So here we have to just write our page name. I'm writing my page name now. So we have to just write here the category. So which category you need? I'm just need education website. You have option there, TV channel, music brand. You can just choose any one. So after that, here you have to select one option. So in this page we have to just edit the profile picture, the cover picture, everything behind and front. So in this option we have to select website. If you guys have a YouTube channel or Telegram, Instagram, any just website, you can just copy paste here the link and you can just attach here. So in this page you can just invite the friend and press next. Here the same thing, you can just select. If you have just page or just anything, you can just select here. So after that you can just press done, and now you have officially you create your Facebook page. So after that you can just edit, you can just add anything you guys just need. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.